This is an exciting collaboration for me because for the very first time, you are going to see a drastic difference in my primary living room. I have partnered with Valencia Home Theater Seatings to bring you their beautiful PIsta leather reclining sectional sofa. I'm super excited to unbox, set up, and decorate my new beautiful sofa. So without talking anymore, let's get right into the video. Alright family, so the first thing I'm doing here is getting some stuff out of the way. I'm just going to put this table in this corner here because you'll see that we're not going to need it for our new sofa. And this is our box, y'all. This is a pretty big box. And don't mind me, I was talking to someone the whole time because I really wanted to see how truly simple it is to assemble the whole sofa by myself. So I wanted to do it by myself because they say it's really simple to put together. Yes, it's heavy to move, but once you have it in the space that you need it, it's super simple, and you'll see that here. So yeah, this is me bringing the box in. This is a pretty big box. So my sofa came in 2 boxes, okay? Only 2 boxes. Now, you can get the size you want. You can get it bigger. You can get a 4-seater, 5-seater, 6-seaters. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Like, look at this. It reminds me of like a peanut butter like color. This color is perfect for the fall, and it gives the living room that pop of color that it doesn't have right now. Y'all know I love my neutrals, but I was super excited to try this. This color is bold, is beautiful, and it's leather. Who doesn't like leather, okay? Leather gives expensive, it gives modern, and it just gives what it needs to give, okay? So this is me using my knife. I always use a knife to cut my cardboard. Maybe I need to level up or upgrade, but this is what has been working for me, and I haven't ruined my furniture so far, but I know now that you guys are going to be yelling at me because I've gotten a few messages like this of people telling me, stop using a knife, you're going to ruin your furniture. And I get it, but I was just super excited, and the first thing I grabbed was a knife. So yeah, this is just me tearing off the plastic, the cardboard, and wow, look at this. I wasn't even done taking the thing out of the box and I was in love, okay? Look at it. Look at it. All right, I feel fancy, I feel pretty, I feel expensive. Yeah, it just gives what it needs to give, y'all. It just does, okay? And it also has a chase at the end there, okay? And you can choose to connect it or do whatever you need to do. I connected it. But this is what I was talking about. The headrest you can lift up or put down if you want. It's easy to do and it locks in once you lift it up, or you can put it down, okay? But yeah, this is the whole sofa setup. It's really pretty. And look how it stands out in the room, okay? This is a pretty neutral room. It just stands out. It's bold, it's beautiful, and the color is amazing. So I did bring back some of the pillows from my other couch, and that is what I'm using to decorate the new sofa, okay? And then the throw blanket as well at the end here. You can choose whatever color you want. It just goes with any decor style. Look how it fits into my space already. It just, let's just take a moment. The thing just fits, okay? Maybe it was made for my living room. I don't know. I'm still looking into it, but yeah, it just fits. So the old couch is going to be housed somewhere for now. And this is going to be the new setup, y'all. I love it. Again, you can choose to put the headrest down, as you saw me do before, or you can choose to leave it up like this. It is up to you. But anyway, this is the electric part of the furniture. So you do need an outlet. Plug it into the outlet, and this is one button, one single button. You push that and it reclines or it goes back into place, okay? And that is also where the UPS port is, or UBS port for iPhone or any other phone devices, okay? So I did go ahead and plug it. It's fully plugged in and fully usable at this point. So let me go ahead and put all of the other furnitures back so you guys can see the whole space for what it looks like. or for what it's looking like now. And as you can see, again, it fits perfectly well. I can bring back the table or I can leave it as is. But I did go ahead and add my fall decor, and it is given. It's giving, y'all. Let me know in the comments if you love this, because I'm in love. I really, really like it. Really, really like it. This can fit in a big space like you see here. My living room is pretty big, or you can use it as the sole furniture in a smaller space. It's big enough. I know it looks a little small here, but that is because this is, number one, a 2-story living room, and the living room is pretty big. Like, it's pretty large, okay? So the couch fits very well with all the other furnitures, and this is me putting it down. As you can see, as I said, it locks in place, and you have to understand it to understand it, but it's also simple to put down. So my living room has a lot of height, so I feel like it looks nice with the head up, but it also looks nice with the head down. So you can choose to put, all of them down like I did here, or all of them up. All right. Yeah, that's what I meant by it locks in. All right, let's go ahead and plug in our couch so I can show you guys the full function and how easy it is to operate this thing. All right, the couch is fully plugged. This is without me sitting in it. I wanted to show you guys from this angle so you can see how smooth and easy it is to go to a complete recline, okay? And I like the position of the chair because it's facing the TV. And yes, just the one button and you can go from recline back to normal. And see how the pillow stayed in place? It didn't fall over. It didn't jerk all over the place. It's very, very smooth and easy to move, okay? So this is with me sitting in it, again, pressing that button, and it goes up very smoothly. You'll see that you keep your hands on the button and it can go all the way back to like the point where you're laying down, essentially. But yeah, very, very easy. Again, very smooth, no jerking movement. And then this is me putting it back in place. Very, very easy. Did I say easy enough? All right, so this is just me trying out all the seats. You can sit in the reclining seat if you're, the boss of the house. You can sit in the reclining seat if you're the boss, which that's me. Thank you very much. Or you can sit in the middle, or you can sit on this side, which is basically like a chaise. It's not a reclining seat, but you can put your feet up, as you can see me do there. It is just a comfortable spot. I have a feeling this couch is going to end up in my movie room because that is where I want my most comfortable but also stylish couch. But we don't know yet. I'll let you guys know. I'll let y'all know what I decide to do. But yeah, family, this is the couch. It makes all of the white in the house pop even more. It's perfect for the fall, but this is an all year round furniture. If you're that fancy girly and you just want that fancy piece in your house, or if you're not all about the whites. By the way, they have different colors and styles that you can choose from. Y'all know I'm a neutral girl, but for me this time, I was super excited to try something else, something outside of the norm for me, okay? But again, when you check out the website, they have different furnitures, different styles, different colors, and especially for this piece, you can choose the style that works for you. But yeah, after I put the sectional together, I was having fun moving up and down, trying all the seats, trying the functions, and just trying it out. I really, really love it. So what I want you guys to do for me is comment down below if I should leave it here or if I should take it down to the movie room. But with taking it down to the movie room, that means I have to set up the movie room and actually make it a movie room, which is good for you guys because you'll get to see the whole process. But if I leave it here, I might have some lazy days, and I don't know if I'll be consistent with my content or not. I'm just saying. All right, family, comment your thoughts down below. Let me know what your favorite part of today's video was. And also, I want to take the time to say thank you once again to Safatica for sponsoring today's video. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.